In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to Make.com. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, navigate over to Make.com and either sign in to your existing account or create a new one. If you're new to Make.com, don't worry. Setting up an account is straightforward and it will only take a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage your scenarios and modules. From the dashboard, look for the option that says Create a New Scenario. This is where our journey truly begins. By clicking this button, you're initializing a new project where you'll build a seamless connection between Calendly and your chosen apps through Make.com. Now, to build this scenario, you'll need to add your first module. Look for the plus button. This is a vital step, as modules are the building blocks of your project. Once you've done that, a search bar will appear. Type in Calendly, and when you see it, go ahead and select it. This connects your scenario to the Calendly app, setting the stage for interactions between Calendly and other applications you wish to incorporate. Next, you'll need to choose a trigger event. This is essentially what will set your scenario in motion. One of the most common triggers you might want to select is Invitee Created. This trigger means that whenever someone schedules an appointment using your Calendly link, your scenario will activate and execute subsequent actions. Now that the trigger is set, click on the Add button to connect your Calendly account to Make.com. This is where you'll authorize Make.com to access your Calendly data and enable the automation process. Once you've granted access, ensure everything is correctly set up by clicking Save. This confirms and secures the connection between your Calendly account and Make.com. The next step is configuring your Calendly trigger parameters. This means you'll specify conditions or filters that refine when the trigger should execute, tailoring it to suit your particular needs. Make sure to set these parameters thoughtfully so the automation fits perfectly with your workflow. With the trigger parameters sorted, it's time to define what happens next. To do this, add an action module to your scenario. An action module is the response that follows your trigger event. Whether it's sending a confirmation email, updating a spreadsheet, or notifying a team member, this is where the magic happens. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a connection between Calendly and Make.com. From here, the possibilities are vast as you continue to explore connecting all your favorite apps and creating efficient workflows. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!